Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the exterior design of the highly anticipated 2025 Banza, a car that's generating a lot of buzz. We're not going to be peeking inside today. This is strictly an exterior appreciation session, where we'll dissect every curve, line, and detail that makes this car so visually striking. We'll also touch upon its history and the design philosophy behind it, so buckle up and let's get started. First impressions, right. The 2025 Banza makes a bold statement. It's a clear evolution from its predecessors, yet it retains a distinct Banza DNA. The designers have masterfully blended aggressive lines with a sense of refined elegance, creating a car that looks both sporty and sophisticated. Let's start with the front fascia. The most noticeable change is the redesigned grille. It's larger and more prominent than before, giving the car a more imposing presence. The signature Banza logo sits proudly in the center, flanked by sleek, newly designed headlights. These aren't just for show. They incorporate the latest in adaptive lighting technology, ensuring optimal visibility in all conditions. The sculpted bumper adds to the aggressive look, with integrated air intakes that not only enhance aerodynamics but also contribute to the car's overall aesthetic. Moving along to the side profile, the 2025 Banza boasts a dynamic silhouette. The roofline slopes gracefully towards the rear, giving it a coupe-like appearance. The character lines are sharp and well-defined, creating a sense of movement even when the car is standing still. The pronounced wheel arches house large, stylish alloy wheels, which perfectly complement the car's sporty stance. The chrome accents, strategically placed around the windows and door handles, add a touch of luxury. Speaking of wheels, let's take a closer look. The 2025 Banza offers a variety of wheel options, ranging from 18-inch to 20-inch, depending on the trim level. The design of each wheel is unique and carefully chosen to enhance the car's overall aesthetic. The tires are performance-oriented, providing excellent grip and handling, which we'll talk more about in a bit. Now, let's move to the rear. The taillights are another standout feature. They're slim and wrap around the sides of the car, giving it a distinctive look at night. The integrated spoiler adds a touch of sportiness, while the dual exhaust tips, neatly integrated into the rear bumper, hint at the car's performance potential. The rear bumper itself is clean and uncluttered, further emphasizing the car's sleek design. The attention to detail is evident throughout the exterior, from the perfectly aligned panel gaps to the high-quality paint finish. Every aspect of the car exudes quality. The designers have clearly put a lot of thought into every element, creating a cohesive and visually appealing design. But the 2025 Banza is not just about looks. Its exterior design also plays a crucial role in its performance. The aerodynamic shape helps to reduce drag, improving fuel efficiency and high-speed stability. The strategically placed air intakes help to cool the engine and brakes, ensuring optimal performance even under demanding conditions. To truly appreciate the 2025 Banza's design, it's important to understand its history. The Banza nameplate has been around for several decades, and each generation has built upon the previous one. The early models were known for their practicality and reliability, while later generations focused on performance and style. The 2025 Banza represents the culmination of all these elements, combining the best of its predecessors into one impressive package. And speaking of performance, the 2025 Banza doesn't disappoint. While we're not discussing the engine specifics today, the exterior design hints at the power that lies beneath. The wide stance, the low center of gravity, and the aerodynamic shape all contribute to the car's exceptional handling and performance. It's a car that's equally at home on the city streets and on the open road. Let's take a moment to appreciate some of the finer details. The door handles are seamlessly integrated into the bodywork, adding to the car's sleek profile. The mirrors are electrically adjustable and heated, and they also incorporate blind spot monitoring. The Banza badging is tastefully placed, adding a touch of exclusivity. The 2025 Banza is a car that looks good in any setting. Whether it's parked in a city street or cruising down a coastal highway, it always manages to turn heads. Its design is timeless, and it's sure to remain a head-turner for years to come. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at the exterior design of the 2025 Banza. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think of the new Banza's styling? Let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and features. We'll be back soon with another video, where we might just take a peek inside. Stay tuned.